Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 1080p portable projector that this brand sent to me for the video. You can see how compact it is. I don't know why, but I really like this bouncy strap over here. I think it's actually quite nice, but it's also really resistant. You can see how compact this one is. You can see that it's not super big, but it is tiny yet mighty because this one is a 600 NC or NACAI. It also has a really good contrast of 15,001, and also, of course, 1080p resolution up to 150 inches. Recommendation will be to use it in between like 90 and 110 inches screen, but then this one, it works from the 50 to the 150 inches as well. You can see again one more time how compact it is. And then on the back, you're gonna find the HDMI, you're gonna find the USB-A port and a 3.5 jack over here for audio purposes in case that you wanna put like a soundbar or something like that. But this one has Bluetooth connectivity and also dual one Wi-Fi, meaning that you can actually connect your phone if you want, and it matches with Android and iOS, both of them. So you can actually do your phone if you want, your tablet, you can also do your laptop via the HDMI. So many other things that I like that we're gonna try it out at night on my outdoor projector screen so I can show it how good it is. It comes with a quick starter guide manual and the instruction manual as well for you to give it a read. It also comes with the power cable as well as the HDMI cable, and of course something that I believe that is super convenient besides the fact that it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is that this one also comes with a remote controller, so you can operate it from the distance as well, and just the comfort of your sofa or just outdoors if you want. So we're gonna wait until night. We're gonna actually go outdoors to my projector screen. We're gonna connect everything and we'll see how that goes. Well, this one, I don't have a screen this big to show how big this one is. You can see that actually the screen is getting on the edges of that screen, which that screen is actually, I think it was like 95 inches or 100 inches. So you can see that this one, which can go up to 150, you can see how far it goes. But right here, I have the remote controller. So you can actually see that you can go for movie, you can go for audio, you can go for pictures, you can go for the HDMI, you can cast with iOS, you can cast with Android. All the chances and all the options you have. You also have the settings, you can connect the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and just remember that you have all those options just in the palm of your hand with the actual remote controller. Super nice and easy. But just for the purpose of this video and just for quality checking, we're gonna actually connect the HDMI of my laptop, and you can see that it's no delay. It looks really nice. It looks very vivid. I have to say that it's like a really nice colors, and there are no like kind of like different than from the laptop, not too different from the laptop. And again, you can see that everything is right here with the remote controller. So I'm actually gonna put some volume up. So I'm actually gonna put my microphone over there so you can hear a little bit of the speaker. So you can hear the fire cracking. I think that's actually quite good. But remember that you can connect the soundbar like an external speaker as well. Super easy. Really easy to install. Perfect having the Wi-Fi connectivity and all the apps. And of course that is compact, and it comes with a handle so you can actually use it on the go as well if you want to put it outdoors, indoors, whatever you want. I like it. Looks really nice. Easy to set up as well, and convenient to have in your own house. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.